Hello, my name is Vesna Netušek. I'm a teacher in primary school Glina. I teach English from 4th to 8th grade, and I'm going to show you how to teach children STEM. I've prepared a presentation, and now I'm going to show and share screen. So, how to teach children STEM? I prepared a sample lesson about living conditions with the help of teacher Maca Pereković and her class 4B. The textbook unit is We Explore the World Around Us, Practice and Repetition. And the domain is domain B, Changes and Relations. And here is a photo of teacher Maca and her lovely class that has helped me to prepare my presentation. The outcome of the lesson is the student analyzes and connects the living conditions and diversity of living beings in different habitats and describes cycles in nature. They observe and describe. Elaboration of outcomes. Students investigate living conditions like air, soil, water, light, and heat. Through creation and performance, students learn how important living conditions are for the survival of living beings, like plants, people, and animals. Students will understand the importance and fundamental ideas of living conditions. They will find out what they can do to prevent air, water, and soil pollution. That is, they will be directed to take care of preventing water, air, and soil pollution themselves. They will use the results in their future life and incorporate them into local communities. Students conduct simple research and collect data, and they display and analyze data. Cross-curricular topic would be they agree on common goal with the group members and persist in achieving the goal. They learn collaboratively and work in a team. They distinguish between positive and negative human influences on nature and the environment. They observe that there is interaction and interdependence in nature. They explain that action has consequences and results. The students choose the appropriate digital tool according to the device technology to perform the task. The students use creativity to shape their ideas and approach to problem solving. The students independently use familiar devices and programs. The students, with occasional help from the teacher or independently, conduct simple investigation in order to solve it. There is also inter-subject connection with Croatian language, like linguistic expression, art, like poster drawing, mind maps, maths, drawing graphs, and units of measurements. Evaluation, so feedback and suggestions for improving learning while completing assigned tasks. And there's also self-evaluation and peer evaluation. They evaluate their participation in today's lesson, like understanding, activity, group work, and etc. Learning and teaching methods are conversation method, demonstration method, oral presentation method, writing method. And of course, the place of performance is classroom. Teacher's activities is he or she explains the concept recognition game. He or she announces practice and repetition. He or she divides students into groups and assigns tasks to groups. Gives feedback to each group about its answers and questions. And presents digital content and conducts a knowledge quiz using ICT. Students' activities, they recognize and classify terms, discuss the given topic in the group, they establish a knowledge about living conditions, they evaluate work of their group and their activity in the group, develop a sense of responsibility for their own success and the success of their group. They think about the strategy of advancement. They analyze the success of solved tasks, answer the teacher's questions with the aim of repeating and practicing the teaching content. They support their views and opinions with evidence from everyday life. They participate in discussions, come up with the solutions for certain problem situations that the teacher puts before them, and they evaluate the effectiveness of their learning in a specific learning situation. Now I'm going to present to you all the parts of our lesson. So in the introductory part of the lesson, teacher will demonstrate and present the association game. As you can see, there is a photo of children that are really involved into the association game. So the final solution of the association game is living conditions. As you can see, there's a Croatian version of a game on the left side and an English version of the game on the right side. So you can play it in several ways. So you can hide the solution of each row and the final solution. And then the children can go through the clues and read it one by one. For example, a star, light, heat, burning, and then they guess the sun. Well, flows, drink, and tap, and then they guess the solution of the second row, water. When they guess the solution of all 4 rows, they can guess the final solution. The other way of playing the game is for the teacher to hide the final solutions of each row and the solution of the game and the words, and the children can open field by field to open the keyword, and then they guess the solution of each row. And when they do it, when they guess all, they can guess the final solution of the association game. The central part of the lesson, so teacher will divide class into 5 groups, and each group will get their task, its own task. So the first group will deal with the topic water. First, they have to read the questions and, of course, make a little research about these questions. So the question is, what are acid rains and how do they affect nature? After they do a research, they will think about how is drinking water purified. They will make an experiment. Here are the steps for the experiments. So children will need several things for the experiment. They will need a plastic bottle, a plastic bottle cap, a straw, cotton wool, different types of sand, a clean glass, and water. Now here is experiment performance and procedure. So children will close the opening of bottle with bottle cap. They will make a hole in the middle of bottle cap. They will slip a piece of juice tube through the bottle cap. After that, they will put little cotton wool on the open on the inside, and then they will put different types of sand and soil in layers. They will put 5 centimeters thick layers of choin, then coal, and 10 centimeters of layer sand. After that, they will put a board of styrofoam on the top, and they will put little soil in a glass of water, and they will stir. After that, they will carefully pour the blurry water onto a board or a styrofoam into the purifier. Now I'm going to show you some photos how it goes or how it went. Okay, so this is the group that was trying to make a procedure. They were trying to do an experiment. So you can see the photo where children are putting different types of soil or sand in layers. Here they are trying to show you how it works. Then here's a picture then shows you from close how to purify water. As you can see, there is a straw, bottle cap, then wool, then you have different layers of sand and coal, and here is styrofoam. And of course, you pour water in it and then it purifies. And here is a drawing on whole procedure, and of course, some basic information they have concluded. The second group is going to deal with topic air. First, children have to do some kind of research. They have to answer the questions. Who are meteorologists? How is weather forecast made? And what are positive and negative effects of the wind? They will get some ideas through brainstorming. After that, they will show you how to make a windmill. And now I'm going to show you some photos of the task, how the children did the task. Okay, here's a lovely group, and children are trying to answer the questions together. After that, they are going to put all the information and the ideas on a sheet of paper. After that, they are going to see and try to find out how to make a windmill. And here's an example of their work. So they have made 2 pieces of windmill. The third group is going to deal with topic sun, light, and heat. So first, children are going to watch the PowerPoint presentation onto the topic of sun. Then they are going to answer the questions: what is the sun, and why do the leaves of deciduous woody plants fall before the cold winter weather period? Now I'm going to show you some photos. So here is a group looking at the presentation. They're trying to answer some of the questions. And after that, they're trying to write notes and do little drawings about their assignment. The fourth group is deal with the topic soil. They will speak about soil pollution and how much does it take for tissue to disappear and how much for orange peel, glass, or plastic. After they make a research and collect data, they will draw a graph. Now I'm going to show you how it goes. This is their task, okay? This is these are the basic information needed for making research. And after that, you can see that children are trying to make a graph. And here is the result of their work. The fifth group will deal with all living conditions, and they will make their own brochure about life conditions. They will illustrate it, draw, and write some interesting facts. And now I'm going to show you how it goes. So this is a group trying to do their brochure. As you can see, they're really happy about their work, and it's working atmosphere in the group. And here are the results. I think it looks very lovely. And the final part of the lesson would be groups take part in knowledge quiz using additional digital content. The game is called Spin the Wheel and Repeat. And now I'm going to show you how it goes. So now we are going to click on Pokreni. It means go. When we open the game, we play it. So you can make your own wheel. This wheel is in Croatian. So each student can click on zavrti. It means spin. And they get the question. And it says the question is, name living conditions. If they know it, if they do it right, then you can click on ukloni. It means remove. Okay. Then they go again. They click spin. In which way do we get familiar with the world that is surrounding us? If they know the answer, then you click remove. Okay. So when the children remove all the questions from the spinning wheel, then they win. Okay, you can, I don't know, make a competition between some groups, or maybe you can divide the class into two groups, or each student can play, depends on you. When they remove all the cards, then they win the game, and you can, I don't know, give some kind of prize to them. Okay, so I think that our children had lots of fun while doing this lesson. The final results were amazing, and I suggest you try it. I hope you have enjoyed in my presentation, and thank you so much for your attention, and see you some other time. Goodbye from Primary School Glina. Thank you again. Bye.